Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Kling 2.0 and Kling 1.6. In order to do so, here we are at klingai.com and we're all logged in. And we're going to go ahead and click here where it says Experience for Kling 2.0. And that's going to bring us to this page here. And we have a few options to look at as far as the 1.6 model. So this one here is an example of the 1.6, and it's really quite good. Now, with the 2.0, we do, if you look here, you could see the models here at the top, and we have 2.0, and that's ready to go. Now, here's the thing. If you want to use the 2.0, it is going to cost 100 credits. So this seems to have gone down because the last time I checked, this was at 200 credits. So it seems like maybe they dropped that down because 200 seemed a bit steep. But it does seem as though they have they've dropped that down to 100. So we can do one generation using the 2.0 model. Now, if we drop that down to 1.6, then you'll see that for the 1.6, it's only going to cost us 20 for the 1.6 model. So that is the major difference between the two of them as far as like credit-wise goes, pricing. I mean, you do the math yourself. You're basically going to be able to, with the monthly free credits that they give you, you're going to get away with about one generation for the 2.0 model, and then you're going to get 20 with the 1.6. But let's go ahead and test it out and see what the difference is between the two of them. So now you can see here for yourself that in order to use the 2.0, you are in fact going to need to have the subscription. So that is only available if you have the subscription. And if you're interested in the subscription, then for the monthly plan, you're looking at $6.99 for the standard, and you're looking at $25.99 for the pro. I can tell you from experience that you're not going to get too much out of the standard. I mean, you can do some with it, but the fact is that, you know, the nature of video generation is such that a lot of times the stuff that you generate just is not going to work. And so really the $25.99 is the only amount that you can really expect to be able to make some mistakes, but also have enough good stuff to be able to use that. But obviously there's a bit of a jump there in terms of the pricing, but I would say from personal experience that the pro subscription is really the way to go. You're going to burn through those 660 credits pretty quick, and not all of the generations are going to be that great. So that's right now the comparison we can do between 1.6 and 2.0. The 2.0 is an upgrade of the 1.6, but I can tell you from experience that the 1.6 is really quite good. You can get some really nice generations from it, but if you're interested in using the 2.0, then you are going to need the subscription, and it is going to cost you 100 credits for 5 seconds, a 5-second generation. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.